Alrighty, so this is day one. It's either part 5 or part 6. But I'm gonna just do a spot weld here on this patch here, and then like I showed on the other video where I lined up all the bead there, and it's kind of dark where I'm at, so we'll see what we get. Just want to throw something in here so I can, you see, that's the hole. So I can have a sense of accomplishment. Alright, gotta get it pressed in here like so. Yep, I think I'm lined up. Alrighty, let's try it. Like I said, it's just a one 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. All right. Oh yeah, burning through. It's gonna be fun. Ooh. Metal is thin. It's okay. I can adjust fire. Build up this a little bit. I have the let's do a little circle here. I have the welder set on. It's a titanium easy flux. I have set on B and 2, which is wire speeds on 2 and voltage on B. I'm gonna turn it down to like A and like right on A and slow it down a little bit. Get that voltage down. There we go, one side. All right. Try to count 1 1,000, 2 1,000. Kind of give it like 2 seconds. Man, it is dark out. All right, it's about today is the 20th of November 2023, and it is about 5 o'clock at night. I do have lights I can use. I think tomorrow morning or whenever I get back, I'll have an earlier start. Obviously. So this is not the permanent. I'm gonna cut all these welds in, and the old metal will fall out. That's what I'm aiming to do here. Uh-oh. They're calling me. What I got to do. Yep, they found me. You can hear that ring. But Ablecraft's on the job. I do enough talking here. So it's really cool working with your hands, folks. I highly encourage you to start picking up a trade or learning a new skill. Learn something that you can kind of get good with and improve over time. I've been doing this on and off for almost 2 years now. By no stretch of the means am I but if you see my other videos, I've done rocker repair, I've done quarter panel repair on the box here, wheel well arch repair, metal forming. Done quite a few little stuff here that in preservation of this truck. So I got a high gap there, but that's no problem. So when I cut, it's going to cut down and sink in. So I ain't sweating that. Let me get this corner. And I think something's telling me I need to stop. So I will. Alright, so let me try to get this one. So with this flux core, you got to clean off the slag that is a result of the flux buildup. So let me grab a brush here. Otherwise, your weld will not penetrate. But again, this is just quick spot welding. Prior to this, starting this, I had cleaned up the surface metal with the grinder. This is just a little gotten all the grease off. So, contrary to popular belief, you can weld a flux core. Okay, you just gotta slow it down, do whatever technique works, and you just go for it. For what I do, I'm outside all the time doing welding. And I could probably move up to a MIG setup down the road, but this works just now. The welder, the titanium rig cost me 125 easy flux, cost me about, I don't know, it was probably 130 bucks with the coupon at the time. So that's the hard to say coupon. Oops. There we go. Just want to get this corner here. Oh. Oh, it's still with me. Cool. Well, like I said, regardless of how this, I know this will be better than what it was. At least I won't have a Barney Rubble going to the floor. Fred Flintstone style. Oh. Get this. All right. I think that will stay with my feet being on it. As I get myself on home. It's not, well, I gotta always come off, God willing. Biggest thing I learned to prevent any type of real warp is you got to kind of move it around a little bit. You can't stay. There we go. You got to apply some pressure, like the firm contact surface. Alright, well, for all she's worth, got some spot welds in there. Yeah, alright, well, that's it. Next video will show me cutting that patch in there and getting it flush with the floor. I could, I guess, leave it as a lap, but I don't want to do that. I'm going to attempt to button cut it, butt weld it into the floor, and so it's a little bit more flush, obviously, and go from there. Worst thing is worst, then I can lap weld later on. Alrighty, well, if I can do it, whoops, you guys can do it definitely better. I'm just here to inspire, hopefully maybe encourage, to get your hands out there and start doing something. Alright guys, take care.